Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today video is going to focus on Digital Brands Group stock. It was one of the stock that we covered in our recent video, and as this was the biggest one in terms of revenue, we thought let's have a look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we got to admit this is a pretty interesting company with a lot of interesting plans for the future. They want to grow their business significantly and the different ways that they want to achieve this. So we can easily see that the stock was trading at 3.90 US dollar at 0.25 US dollar losses with 6.02% negative loss. In 5 days time frame, the stock was trading at 0.85 US dollar, growing with 27.87% positive gaining. In 1 month time frame, the stock was trading at 1.01 US dollar, growing with 34.95% positive gaining.